Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find all the factors of any number. Let's take number 8. We have to find all the factors of 8. To find the factors, first we will see the number. All number is factor of 1 and 1 is factor of all numbers. 1 multiplied by 8. 1 8s are 8. So 1 is factor of every number. Now we know the divisibility test 8. We will start from 1. 1 to 9 we will see 1 to 9 tables. In that we will start with 2. We know the divisibility test of 2. 8 can divide by 2 or not. To see, we will see the digit should be even number. For 2, it should be even number. So 8 is an even number. So yes, 8 can divide by 2. In 2's table, 2 4s are 8. Now 3. For 3's divisibility, the number should be, means the sum of the number should divide by 3. Here we have 8. 8 is an even number. 8 cannot divide by 3. Now let's take 4. In 4's table, yes, 4 2s are 8. 4, 6 and 8. These three tables, these three numbers can divide by 8. Now here, whenever it will repeat, same number आएगा, repeat होता है, that time we have to stop. 2 4s are 4 2s are. So stop, and that we will write factors of 8 is equal to, we will start from here, 1, then 2, then 4, 2 already here, 4 also is there, so now 8. So these are the factors of 8. The smallest factor of any number is 1 and the biggest factor, greatest factor is that number itself. Let's see other number. Find the factor of 12. All the factors we have to find. So 1 12s are 12. That is compulsory. 1 is factor of every number. Now we will check 2. 12 can divide by 2. Yes. The ones place should be even. So 2 is an even number. So yes, this number can divide by 2. So we know that in 2's table, 2 6 are 12. Now divisibility test of 3. 12 can divide by 3. Let's check. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 can divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. So yes, 12 can divide by 3. So 3 4s are 12. Now 4's turn. 4 3s are 12. Repeat होता है, जब भी repeat होता है that time we have to stop. Same number repeat होता है तो stop हो जाने का है. 3 4s are और 4 3s are. Now let's write factors of 12 is equal to, we'll start from here. We'll start from here and we'll stop there. 1 2 3 4. 3 is already we wrote. 4 also. So 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Which is the smallest factor of every number? 1, and the greatest factor is that number itself. And the numbers of factors are countable, limited. Let's find the factor of 49. 49. 1, 49s are 49. 1 is factor of every number. Now divisibility test of 2. Even last place, 1's place is even number or odd? It is odd number. So 49 cannot divide by 2. 3 की divisibility test करो. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 it is 13. 13 can divide by 3. नहीं आता, no problem. Check करो. 3 4s are 12. 1 is remainder. So no, 3 is not possible. So 4. Now 4, 6 and 8 इवन नंबर होता है तब भी इससे डिवाइड होगा. इफ इट इज नॉट इवन नंबर देन इट कैन नॉट बी डिवाइड बाय 4, 6 and 8. For 5's divisibility we know even number should be 0 or 5. In 49 even ones place is not 0 or 5, so 49 cannot divide by 5. So we will see 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 is repeating same number, so factors of 49 are 1, 7 already we wrote, and 49. So these are the factors of 49. Let's take number 10. So first what we will write? 1 tens are 10. 1 is factor of every number. Now 2. 1's place last digit should be even number, so 0 is the even number, so it can divide by 2. So we know that 2 5s are 10. Now 3's divisibility, 3 से divide होता है नहीं, so 1 plus 0 1 cannot divide by 3. 4 10 divide 10 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 is remainder, so no, this number cannot divide by 4. 5 yes, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. रिपीट होता है, so we have to stop. जब भी सेम नंबर रिपीट होगा तब स्टॉप होना है. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 10 आर 1 2 5. 2 already we wrote, 5 we wrote, so 10. So greatest factor is that number itself and smallest factor is 1. Let's take other number 16. Find the all factors of 16. So first 1 16s are 16. Now last digit 1's place is 6. It is even number, so it can divide by 2. 2 के टेबल में 16 आता है. Let's check. 2 8s are 16. Yes. Now 3. For 3's divisibility 1 plus 6 7. 7 can divide by 3? No. It cannot divide by 3 without remainder. So 7 cannot divide by 3. Now 4. 4. Let's check. 16 can divide by 4. Yes. 4 4s are 16. Same number repeat हुआ, so we have to stop. 4 4s are 16. So we can write factors of 16 are, we will start from here and we'll stop there. 1 2 4. 4 we will not write again. 8 and 16. Let's find the factors of 18. We have to find the factors of 18. First 1 18s are 18. Now 2. 1's place is even number, so it can divide by 2. So 2 9s are 18. We knows very well. 3 is possible. Yes. 8 plus 1 नहीं आता, no problem. रफ में चेक करो. Total sum of the given number 9. Sum of the given number can divide by 3 or not? Yes, 3 3s are 9 without remainder. So this number can divide by 3. 3 6 are 18. 4 can divide by 18. No problem. Let's check. Divide 18 by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 2 is remainder, so 18 cannot divide by 4. 5 की divisibility 1's place should be 0 or 5, so 18 cannot divide by 5. 6 18 and 6 से divide कर देखो. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Same number. 6 3s are 18. सेम नंबर रिपीट हुआ, 3 6 are 18, 6 3s are 18. So we have to stop. So let's write the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 we wrote, 6 we wrote, so 9 and 18. So which is the smallest factor of 18? 1, and greatest factor of 18 is that number itself. Let's find the factor of 81. Now 81 is the first one, 81s are 81. Here now 2. This number can divide by 2 or not. What we will see? Ones place should be even number. It is not an even number, it is odd number. So 2 से divide नहीं होगा. For 3's divisibility, 8 plus 1 जो नंबर है उसको सम करो, 9. जो आंसर आता है वो 3 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 81 can divide by 3. So let's check 81 by 3. 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, सो हमने 2 नहीं लिखा. अब 3 से चेक करते हैं. ओके, 3 2s are 6, 2 and 1 we will take it down. 3 7s are 21, so no remainder. So 3 27s are 81. 3 27s are 81. So we will write here 3 multiplied by 27 is equal to 81. Now 4 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. I already said last place should be even number. 4 6 and 8 से कब डिवाइड होता है? जो इवन नंबर होता है तब भी. सो 4 नहीं आएगा, 5 भी नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज वंस प्लेस 0 और 5 होना चाहिए. 6 भी नहीं. 7 for 7 let's check. 8 divide 81 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1, and from up we will take down 1. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So once again 7 ones are 7. How many remain? 4 is remain. So remainder is 4. So no, 7 is not possible. 8 is possible. No, even number नहीं है. So 9 check करो. Yes, कब होता है 9? 9 9s are 81. Same number repeat हुआ. So we will stop and we will write here factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. These are the factors of 81. Now let's learn common factors. How to find the common factors? First we will take a number 6 and here we can take 8. 6 and 8 we will find the factors of 6 and 8. So first we will start with 6. 1 6 are 6, then 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Repeat हुआ. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now let's find the factors of 8. First 1 8s are 8, 2, yes, 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. Repeat हुआ. So stop हुए. Write the factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now how to find the common factors? So the common factors of 6 and 8 are, first 1 is common factor of everyone. दोनों में जो same है that are the common. 1, then 2, yes, 2 is also common. So 2, 3, 4 are not and 6 and 8. So how many common factors are there? There are 2. 1 and 2 is common in 6 and 8. Now let's take two numbers 10 and 20. So first we will find the factors of 10. 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10, then 5 twos are 10. So factors of 10, right? It's compulsory. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now let's find the factors of 20. First 120s are 20, then 2. 2 tens are 20. 3 is possible. 2 plus 0 2. 2 cannot divide by 3. 4, yes, 4 के टेबल में 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. Repeat हुआ 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So we will stop here and we'll write factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 4 already we wrote, 5 we wrote, so 10 and 20. Now we will find the common factors of 10 and 20. So we will write here 10. 10 के factors है 1, 2, 5 and 10 and 20 के factors है 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now which are the commons? I already said 1 is the common of every factors. So first we will write here 1. Then yes, 2 is common. 2. Then 10. So the common factor of 10 and 20 are 1, 2 and 10. Now let's find the common factor of 21 and 25. So 21, 121s are 21. Now 2 is possible. 1's place even number? No. This number is not a even. So 2 is not possible. 21 cannot divide by 2. So 3 we will take. 2 plus 1 3. जो number है उसका sum करो. 2 plus 1 3. 3 can divide by 3. Yes. 3 1s are 3. So we can write 3 7s are 21. 4 से डिवाइड होगा? नो. 4 6 and 8 इवन नंबर ही डिवाइड होते हैं. नाउ 5. सो 1's प्लेस इज 0 और 5 नहीं है. सो 21 कैन नॉट डिवाइड बाय 5. सो वी विल सी हियर 7 3s are 21. रिपीट हुआ. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 21 आर 1, 3, 7. 3 we wrote, 7 we wrote and 21. Now find the factors of 25. 125s are 25. 2 is possible? No, it is not an even number. 3 is possible. 5 plus 2 7. 7 can divide by 3? No. Then 4 6 and 8 तो इससे डिवाइड हो गए ही नहीं. But yes, 1's प्लेस इज 0 और 5. 5 है सो 5 से डिवाइड होगा. 5 5s are 25. रिपीट हुआ. सो वी विल स्टॉप. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25 आर 1, 5 and 25. सो वी विल फाइंड 21 के फैक्टर लिखेंगे और 25 के फैक्टर लिखेंगे. कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ first factors of 21 1, 3, 7 and 21 and 25 के लिखेंगे 1, 5 and 25. Which are common? We can see only 1 is common among these two. So only 1 is a common factor of 21 and 25. Let's see other example. Find out the common factors of 30 and 40. To find out common factors, first we have to find all the factors. So 30 के factors find करो. 1 से start करेंगे. 1 30s are 30. Okay. Now 2 even number है. So yes, this number can divide by 2. Big number है. Division नहीं आता. Tables नहीं आते. No problem. You can divide by 2 in rough. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So 15 twos are 30. Right here 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30. Now this number can divide by 3. Yes, जो सम है वो 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. So 3 plus 0 3. So 3 ones are 3. We knows that 3 tens are 30. Now 4. Let's check this number can divide by 4 or not. 30 divide 30 by 4. 4 का टेबल बोलो. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 4 eights are 32. 32 is bigger than 30. So 4 sevens are 28. But 2 is remainder. So this number 30 cannot divide by 4. So 4 cancel. 5 ले लो. Last digit should be 0 or 5. Yes. So 30 can divide by 5. 5 6 are 30 and 6 5s are 30. Number repeat हुआ. 6 5s are 5 6 are. So we have to stop. So write the factors of 30 is equal to, we'll start from here, 1 2 3 5 6 and 5 we already wrote. So 10 15 and 30. Now 40 is done. 1 40 is a 40. 2 से डिवाइड होगा. Yes, 2 because it is even number. 2 20s are 40. 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 4 plus 0 4. 4 cannot divide by 3. Okay, so it is not possible. Then 4 check करो. 40 divide by 4. So yes, 4 tens are 40. 5 possible है. Ones place check करो. 0 और 5. Yes, it is 0. So 40 can divide by 5. So 5 8s are 40. 6 40 can divide by 6. Let's check. Divide 40 by 6. 6 sevens are 42. So we can write 6 are 36. But 4 is remainder. So remainder है. So 6 is not possible. Let's check 7. Divide 40 by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. And 7 6 are 42. 42 is also bigger than 40. So 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. But 5 is remainder. Remainder आती है. So this number cannot divide by 7. And 8. Yes, 8 5s are 40. Number repeat हुआ. So write the factors of 40 is equal to 1, then 2, 4, 5, 8. 5 and 8 both are there. So 10, 20 and 40. So we will write here 30 के कॉमन फैक्टर है 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. And 40 के कॉमन फैक्टर 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 40. Now we will find out the common factor of both. So first, already I said 1 is common. 1, then 2, then 3 is not common. 5, 6 not there. Yes, 10 is a common. 15 है नहीं है. 30 है, 40 है, 20 no. So which are the common factors of 30 and 40? 1 2 5 and 10. So Thank you students, and learn this at your home.